Hey everyone, Matt and Jerome with StudyKIK. Excited to talk to you today about our newest package for sites, sponsors, and CROs. It is our Prestige Study Listing Plan. Essentially what we have done is created a monthly plan for those sites that really want to take their recruitment to the next level and list multiple studies all at one time and reap the benefits of a larger discount and many other options that we're providing as well.
Absolutely. What we found is we're now working with over 1,400 sites in North America.
Exactly.
Quickly working in Europe.
Exactly.
And coming up with a global plan as well too. And we thought, why not create something great that sites that have been using us for years can take advantage of StudyKIK over and over again. So Matt, why don't you walk us through what exactly is included in the Prestige Listing Plan?
Now this Prestige Listing Plan has really been developed over the last couple of months. We had a lot of clients, including sites, sponsors, and CROs, requesting for a plan when they know they're going to be utilizing us for long periods of time for multiple different protocols, right? We have so many sites that are listing 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different studies every single month, and they have them for the last 3-4 years, right? So now what we want to do is offer those sites that are going to be making that commitment and really working with us on that next level, basically give you a cost savings that's going to allow you to not only have consistent studies listed with us, but really change it up. And then if you're going to be actually listing more trials, then you'll be able to get a standard discounted rate or a special rate just for having that Prestige Listing Plan listed with us. So basically what's included in the Prestige Listing Plan, you get 3 monthly studies, and what that is you'll basically, it's a platinum level listing, diamond level listing, or ruby level listing, right? That's at a significantly discounted rate. Also included is a free PQS or Patient Qualification Suite, which is essentially our pre-screening department. Jerome will talk about that in just a moment. So you can add that to any one of those studies that you like. You'll also receive 100 additional texting credits or email credits. And essentially what this is good for, as you are recruiting through StudyKIK, there is a database feature included in every site's portal where they can now essentially build a large database of patients and utilize our patient database feature to be able to reach out to any of those patients at any time using our texting platform or our email platform or both.
So whether you have 2,000 patients or 100,000 patients, you can upload every single patient to our database and then use our text message system, which we're going to give you free text message credits on this plan and email credits, and you can blast all those patients at the same time about your new studies, and the response rate is incredible. And essentially what this equates to is almost a 20% savings, right? Not right off the bat.
Right off the bat.
And then any additional studies that you list with StudyKIK over 3 per month, which is not that many, is an additional 10%.
Exactly, and that's where you have the freedom to choose what studies you'll be listing every single month. And let's say for whatever reason you only have 2 studies, and let's say there's an extra study that you're not going to be recruiting for, you have a couple options. One, you can basically use it for general recruitment. So if you want us to basically find you patients in a certain therapeutic area to really beef up your database even more so, or you can roll that study over to the next month. As long as you're enrolled in the Prestige Listing Plan, you can literally roll over your study listings every single month. And then when you do in fact list a trial, we will basically have an interface in the portal where you can go in and put that specific protocol number to be reimbursed by the study sponsors. And this is a huge opportunity now, because basically you'll be able to be reimbursed for every listing plan that you'll be having with us, and basically tailor down to each individual study, which is really exciting.
And what's great is the Patient Qualification Suite, right? So we're going to give you a free Patient Qualification Suite for 1 study every single month. And what's great about that, for those of you who haven't used it yet, is we've been building out an amazing call center with medically trained coordinators. We have a whole text message team. We have a whole software system that our CTO has built here at StudyKIK to integrate with our call center, right? And basically what we're going to do is, as the patient leads come through StudyKIK, we are going to text message them and call them on your behalf, get them on the phone with one of our trained coordinators, and then get them over to your site live if they qualify. And that's a huge value to your site.
And I think one of the most important things that Jerome just mentioned is the trained coordinators that are actually making those calls. What differentiates our pre-screening team is really their clinically trained staff as an extension of your site, right? And also an important note is we are screening patients for you, but still every patient that signs up through any sort of StudyKIK campaign, whether it's the Prestige Listing Plan or the normal listings a la carte on our website, you will have access to every one of those patients, whether they qualify or not, within your portal. So you're still building a database. I think that's always a common misconception, I think, from a lot of sites. And also too, if you're a sponsor or CRO and you have select sites that you know that you work with on every study or many studies down the line, this is a great platform for you as well to be able to prepare your sites to basically preemptively, before even a trial begins, say, listen, we have a select number of sites, we're going to get them on the Prestige Listing Plan, and every single month basically build their database or preemptively recruit and screen for your upcoming trial. So then what happens is when you launch any sort of clinical trial, you can basically reach out to those sites instantly, and what takes place, we will send a overall text message to all of those patients that have basically preemptively been recruited through this platform. Ask them if they're interested in joining your specific program. You'll already know that they're qualified. So now, if those patients do respond, say, yes, I'm very interested, I'm still qualified, we move them directly into that trial, and now instead of taking a month or 2 months to basically go through a site's database, one by one at the site staff level, we will help and support your sites, and basically we can get through an entire site database fully pre-screened in less than a week.
Exactly, and the key is text messaging, right? I mean, we found that out about a year ago, a year and a half ago, when we launched our text message system here at StudyKIK.
Exactly.
Patient messaging suite. It's been amazing. So our text message team is on it, texting patients instantly, coordinating appointments. So now our medically trained coordinators, all they have to do is talk on the phone with the patients and make sure they're qualified and get them over to your site. So it's been absolutely amazing.
So if you're interested in actually signing up for the Prestige listing plan, the prices are right here at the bottom of the screen. Take a look. You can choose the Platinum level listing, the Diamond level listing, or Ruby level listing, depending on how you'd like to recruit and how many patients you'd like to have come into your sites. And then from there, essentially, if you know you're going to be listing with StudyKIK as a 6-month commitment or more, this is a fantastic plan for you. We will obviously still have our normal study listings that everybody loves. This is now a plan for those sites who really want to take their recruitment to the next level and build a large database. So, thank you so much. We're very excited to bring this product to you. This has been developed across all different sites, and the great feedback also for CROs and sponsors. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to working with you soon.